If you ask me, the basic role of HR manager, that doesn't change. A person who is doing recruitment in the old world industry and the person who is doing recruitment here, at the end of the day, both are doing recruitment, both are hiring talent for their respective organization. So that basic role doesn't change. The basic role of employee engagement doesn't change, but the execution of every role changes. In the new organization, you are looking for a different kind of people. In new organization, you are looking at a different kind of engagement or involvement with employees. Since most of the people who are working in e-commerce company, they are quite young, 26, 27, 28 years of age. Their expectation from the company or their engagement with the company will be very, very different compared to those who are working in, say, FMCG or paint sector for last 10, 15, 20 years. Hence, as HR, you have to adapt to their kind of world, their kind of requirement. But if you ask me that is the basic HR role change, very, very different between these two kind of industries, the answer is no. The role of HR in young or e-commerce industry is very, very different compared to your classical organization, which is, say, manufacturing setup or FMCG industry. Firstly, it is, if you look at all the young organizations, they are founded by young people who are in their late 20s or early 30s. As they grow, they hire people from outside who are industry experts. So many a times what happens, in fact, on most of the occasions, the reportees are much senior compared to the managers. Like suppose somebody who has just started the organization in his late 20s, he hires a CFO who is having a 15 years, 16 years experience. So that person must be in his or her mid 40s, something of that kind. So the person who is actually reporting is having much greater experience compared to the manager. So that is quite a challenging thing in itself, because sometimes the expectation setting, the chain of commands, it is not as smooth or as flowy as it is there in the classical organization. That is one. Secondly, as I gave you the example of Bluestone.com, we are having people who are working in jewelry designing. We are having people who are working in customer support roles. We are having people who are working in logistic field. We are having people who are working in technology. We are having people who are working for online marketing team, and you have support functions. So basically, if you look at it, we have 4 or 5 different industries coming together. We have people from the logistics background. We have people from the BPO kind of environment. We have people coming from the creative and traditionally an offline kind of environment, which is jewelry designing. So that's a second challenge which we all face in any young or the e-commerce kind of organization. Thirdly, if you look at it, for any young organization, there's always a phase when you are not having a lot of policies in place, lot of processes in place, and while all these big organizations or set organizations, they have policy, processes, a typical R&D department, defined KRAs, while all these things are missing in young organization. Hence, the recruitment also becomes quite challenging, because you don't have defined roles, you don't have defined processes. You might be taking person for some role, but then at the once the person joins in, you may have to offer him a different role, because you are in the stage of metamorphosis or constant flux. So there's quite if I have to put it in that way, you are always in a state where change is happening on not even daily basis, but maybe on an hourly basis. And hence, getting people who are able to deal with that kind of pace or that kind of environment where things are still hazy, things are nebulous, things are fast moving, is not easy. And as I said earlier also, that sometimes when you require industry expert to come in, those who are coming from a classical world and the stable organization, for them to make them to adapt to these new situation, that also becomes quite tricky. And the third point, which again I'm reiterating, that different industries, different people, different background, they all are coming together. Hence, you really need to ensure that you manage the expectation of every particular segment. So these three large buckets, if you look at it, makes it quite different from the old world or these established organizations.